Okay, first of all, is this for real or am I dreaming? This is Gege we are talking about. Is he really back? Let's begin the chapter. Chapter begins with Todo revealing that his missing left arm is replaced with an instrument called Vibra Slap. Narrator explains that Todo has changed Woogie Woogie's activation from a clapping hands to collision of the metal piece and wooden box of Vibra Slap. Todo can now swap people a total of 50 times in a second. Todo and Yuji simultaneously attacks leads Sukuna clueless. Todo imposed a binding vote to limit the number of swap in proportion to the collisions of the Vibra Slap. Todo has successfully expanded the cursed technique targets to the multiple targets and expanded the effective range of the technique. Narrator also reveals that Todo successfully evacuated the sorcerers from the Sukuna's domain. Out of all the sorcerers, he is the most self-centered and difficult to sway. He honestly appeared at the time I least wanted him to show up. That's what Sukuna says. Just as Todo was about to land a kick, Sukuna easily dodges it. Todo makes a self-note that Sukuna can dodge mid-air. Yuji then throws a rock towards them and Todo swaps it with Yuji as he lands a strong missile kick into Sukuna. Sukuna grabs hold of Yuji by his face and tries to thrash him, but Todo keeps on swapping as Yuji continues to punch Sukuna from his blind spots. Todo, Yuji, Sukuna are now in a roulette. Sukuna realizes Todo can change the maximum and minimum values for the number of swaps per single tap. Sukuna thinks it's practically impossible to get used to Boogie Woogie, but Sukuna has figured out a way to read when Todo might swap. It's precisely when Yuji's focus has peaked. Sukuna thinks Todo might faint by not swapping Yuji, but something else to trick opponents. So Sukuna moves to punch Yuji very hard. But soon Mei Mei's cross appears and Sukuna realizes his mistake that he misread Todo's move. Sukuna thinks they swapped with Mei's crow, so quickly tries to turn his body towards his blind spot and land a kick, but he realizes he got tricked once again. Todo didn't swap their places at all. Yuji easily hits a black flash on Sukuna. Todo: I conceal an attack within a concealment, within another concealment and within another concealment. After landing a black flash, Yuji pierces his claw hand into Sukuna and continues to brutally tear him apart with a demonic fist. Even though Yuji's hand has pierced his chest, Sukuna tries to expand his domain once again, but Sukuna sees a mysterious silhouette. Narrator explains that Sukuna has witnessed him, the strongest ghost of the Sukuna, killed by his own hands. Welcome back, Gojo Satoru. Editor comments at the end, those eyes are unmistakable. But I'm not really believing Gege because it's Gege we are talking about. I am just not 100% sure if it is Gojo Satoru or not. Let's see what happens next week. So do subscribe for next week updates.